So a lot of people are a bit anxious these days, whether it's news about the coronavirus or the economy. We worry about things that we don't have control over.
That's why our next guest says you should take control of the things that you can, like estate planning. Welcome, Greg McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law. Hello and welcome to the show. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great.
Good.
Thank you for having me. Thank you very much for having me.
We're going to talk about a couple of things. Let's
Sure.
start with this, though, Greg. One way people can take control of their future is with an estate plan. How do we get started with that?
Sure. I just find when there's anxiety out there or things are out of control, I want to find something that I can understand and control. And one thing that we help with is estate planning and elder law. So getting that estate plan in place, making sure we plan for the future, that no matter what happens, we have peace of mind. Mm-hmm. We know what's going to happen with our family, with our assets, with our money, with our property. Could be assigning someone to take care of, in this current environment, healthcare. Who do we want to appoint to make our important healthcare decisions? I've discussed before, I have 6 children. How long do you think that it would take them to reach a conclusion on what healthcare procedure I needed? Mm-hmm. I would be laying there just waiting, right, for them to make that decision. They'd start fighting, they'd split off into groups. I want to appoint somebody, I want to be selfish and appoint somebody to make healthcare decisions for me. That's really important in the current environment.
So why should people protect their estates?
Well, I think because they deserve it. I've worked really, really hard for what I've acquired so far. My family's worked very hard to eke out a living, to buy a house, to get retirement. And people deserve, the American people, the people in North Carolina deserve to be able to preserve those assets and pass them on to their children, to their grandchildren, to help their families.
Just a moment ago, before we came on the air with you, Greg, you were talking about how, news of the coronavirus has affected some of what you do, some of your work right now.
Oh, sure. I'm worried a little bit, but only because nursing homes, hospitals, assisted living facilities, and rightly so, have started locking down. They've started not letting people out and not letting residents out, not letting family members or professionals in. So what if I am in a nursing home? What if I'm in a hospital and I'm perfectly competent and I want to put in place some powers of attorney? I want to appoint my wife to be able to go out there and handle my business for me, or move some money over from an account that only I'm on, or real estate, something, do anything for us, pay the bills, whatever needs to be done. But I can't get my attorney in. I can't get a notary to come in to actually physically look at my signature and notarize. There's not an electronic option right now out there. So, how am I going to get it done? I think it restricts people from getting anything like that done if you get in that situation. So I want to alert people to that and just say, we're here. We're here. If you need help with estate planning, protecting assets, putting in place important people to make healthcare, financial decisions, avoid probate with trust, we're here. We're here to help.
What can people expect in a meeting with you and your firm?
Sure. Just like sitting down with a family at the kitchen table and solving problems, getting everything on the table, thinking about how to solve problems, we do the same thing at the conference table. We sit down, take inventory, help people set their goals, and then use legal tools and experience to help them achieve those goals and accomplish those goals. So it's not, I don't want to make it more complicated than it is. So, yeah.
Well, Greg wrote a book to help people with estate planning. The book is called Saving the Farm, a practical guide to the legal maze of aging in America. Very quickly, Greg, how can viewers get a copy?
Go to mcelderlaw.com/savingthefarm. You'll get that free ebook and audiobook on how to protect your hard-earned money and property. Also, it will sign you up for our e-newsletter, which will keep you up to date with current developments in estate planning and elder law.
If you want, you can also call the office, 704-749-9244, 704-749-9244. Greg, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, guys.